Interesting how some of my videos generate a discussion that was never intended by the video. Right, we're just going to count lamps, switched lamps. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I was trying to guess how many I'd got. Oh, that's the one that sparked the comment. That's a touch light rather than a switched light. So what are we up to? 4, 5. I think there's... I thought there was another one in the drawer there. Oh, I know where it is. I think it's in that drawer. Nope, can't see it. Okay, we might... oh, that's interesting. That's my music boxes. Oh, and some other stuff I've hidden away. Light up sticks. And glow sticks. Amazing what I got tucked away in different drawers. So what were we up to? 5 there, wasn't it? These two are touch switch lights. So that's 6, 7. And some of my clocks. Yeah, that's a switched one. So that's 7. 8, 9, 10, 11 switched. This is one with the switch on the cord. That's on the cord as well. There's the switch there. So what was that? 11, wasn't it? I know where the other ones are. I'm not gonna worry about it, but they're up in the loft for when I'm up there. So we'll say 11 because I can show you 11, but I think there's a few more up in the loft, including the touch light I converted to run off of a what do we call it? Camera flash circuit. So it's a 1.5 volt battery that runs a 240 volt that's all right, trying to remember what they're called. CFL, compact fluorescent light. CFL. Yeah, I'm not going to go up there and get that. So, having shown you that I've got whatever it was, 11 or 12 of those switched lights, the question is, why have we still got a touch lamp? Well, this is the guest's bedroom, and if you're unfamiliar with the room that you're sleeping in, something like a touch lamp is a lot easier to find in the middle of the night. You don't need to find where the switch is, whether it's tucked up there or down the back or something like that. All you need to do is put your hand over here and you get a light in the middle of the night. So that's why we've got one. We did have them in our bedroom, either side of the bed, but we got fed up with them because you knock them accidentally and they go on, or they go off when you don't want them to go off. So we replaced ours with switch lights, but we've left this one here for our guests. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.